Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get payment receipt on Airbnb mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then tap on trips or past trip. This will show your all past and upcoming reservation. Now tap on the trip you want a receipt for. Inside your trip details, scroll down and look for a button or link that says Get Receipt or Payment Details. Tap on it. This will open a page with your full payment breakdown including rates, cleaning fees, taxes and total amount paid. Once you see the receipt, you can screenshot it or if available, tap the share icon to email or save it as a PDF. Sometimes Airbnb also gives the option to download the receipt directly from the screen. If you don't see the receipt in the app, you can also check your email box right after booking. Airbnb usually sends a confirmation email with the full payment summary you can use as a receipt. And that's it. You know how to find and download your Airbnb payment receipt using your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.